Hi everyone, it's V from Vietnam Cuisine with V. Today I'm going to do the lemongrass chili with tofu. When the tofu yellow at both sides, take them all. I use an oil paper to reduce the oil from the tofu. Use the same pan of oil. Stir the lemongrass, chili and garlic. Add in the breadcrumb. The breadcrumb have the tofu crispy. Put the fried tofu back to the lemongrass and add in about 2 teaspoons of seasoning powder. Mix this again. And put it in a dish. If you like the spring onion, add spring onion on top for garlic.